I'm just telling you, this was too good not to share publicly, big time. When you get one of these in the mail, delivered at your door, what is the first thing that you do? First of all, in my case, what did I order? But second of all, honestly, I couldn't wait to dive into this one. I really mean it. I could not wait. So in this particular case, drum roll, please. The most incredible book journal I've ever seen, Make Dreams Happen, by one of my superstar friends, Denise Vargas. Make Dreams Happen by Denise Vargas. Her company is Live Creatively, and I've only known Denise for a couple years, but I'm telling you, her impact on the world has already been huge. Make Dreams Happen is a journal that she wrote, a journaling workbook, if you will, that she wrote last year, which means every single page is power-packed. And the good news is the reason it's power-packed, she gives us some tips, some tricks, if you will, some techniques on how to make your journaling time more effective. Asking a question, making a statement. What does creativity mean to you? Several pages of what are you grateful for? Different quotes from superstar people. I am. Awesome, fantastic, unique. What am you? Let's go there. I know, I am. Then she has Color Me Happy. There's actually some pages where you can actually have the adult coloring book concept. Now, the reason this is so impactful for me is because you can now, it's hardback. I mean, it's amazing. It's incredible quality, but you can keep this forever. Here's a picture of my superstar friend, Denise Vargas. She's the owner and CEO and founder of Live Creatively. If you have not connected with her yet, the reason I encourage you so much to do so, this book is available on Amazon, Make Dreams Happen by Denise Vargas. And the reason this is so impactful for me, Denise is a super trainer, coach, person of inspiration. Every single day, her motto is live creatively because that's what she's done over her life. If you don't know her story yet, it's a perfect opportunity for you to get to know Denise Vargas. Google her. She's on LinkedIn, Facebook, she's everywhere. And the reason she's everywhere is because honestly, the impact she's made on the world is incredible. Now, once you have gone through pieces of the inspiration part, the journaling part, have you set your goals yet for this week, this month, even this year? And then to be able to have your adult coloring book in hardback form to keep right here with your journal. Can you imagine how impactful that would be for you someday? Not to mention leaving it as a legacy for your family, but to be able to put the date on where you created that doodle. She's even got doodle pages where you actually wrote that word of inspiration in the journal section and dated it. Plus, you can look back now, review it next year, review it 10 years from now, see what you were looking at, thinking about back then. History, legacy, all of those things are so impactful for so many of us. So what was I thinking in 1993? Click here, bam, there you go. You can find out what you journaled, what you wrote, what you were coloring, what words were impactful to you. I am what? Honestly, when I got this today with Amazon Prime shipment, I was like, OMG, I cannot wait to open it. Now you'll notice on my Zoom screen, there is actually social media posting party behind me. Well, the cool thing is these are actually Denise's QR codes. She's incredibly social media savvy in a million different ways, but she hosts a posting party once a month on the third Friday evening of every month at 7 o'clock Eastern time, 6 o'clock Central, 4 o'clock Pacific. So if you haven't been to a posting party yet, simply scan a QR code right here and you can register for the next event coming up. Third Friday of every month, posting party hosted by Live Creatively and the incredible Denise Vargas. Then you'll get to know a little bit more of how Make Dreams Happen came to be. And again, connect with her on social media. Denise Vargas is everywhere, everywhere. And once you get this journal, I feel that your life will be forever changed. I mentioned earlier that I have known Denise a couple years now. And one of the things that she has taught me that I will never forget, this kind of tells you the type of person that she is. Not all disabilities show. Not all disabilities show. To find out more about Denise, please connect with her on social media. Join her at her hosting party on the third Friday night of every single month. And I look forward to hearing your response when you get your Amazon Prime package in the mail with this incredible, incredible journaling workbook ready to go. Fill it out. You'll probably actually find that you learn from yourself as well. Thank you again, Denise. This is incredible. And to all of you watching, super impactful. Not all disabilities show. Bye for now.